Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. It's a black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Oval, we draw oval, rectangle, we draw rectangle, we are drawing pie, it's a pie, we are drawing triangle, it's a triangle, we are drawing arrow, it's an arrow, we are drawing right triangle, it's a right triangle. Now we learn some colors. Looking very nice color. It's a blue color, it's a gray color, it's a green color, it's a pink color, it's a yellow color, it's a red color, it's a purple color, it's a sky blue color, it's a forest green color. Now we fill color in 2D shapes. Yellow green color, it's a yellow green color, old red color, it's a old red color, cool gray color, it's a cool gray color, deep violet color, it's a deep violet color, olive green color, it's a olive green color, azalea purple color, it's azalea purple color. Now we learn 2D shapes. Oval, rectangle, pie, triangle, arrow, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.